Hello everyone, welcome to Don Amots. My name's Adam and we've got Wendy on the camera again, and I'm going to show you around one of our latest arrivals. It's a brand new Elddis Autoquest Cv20, which is 2 sleeping, 2 travelling, 5.99 metre, just under 6 metre van conversion. It's built by Elddis. It's on a Fiat Ducato, so it's a 2.2 140 brake, and this one is an automatic. It's available, it's brand new, and it's here at our showground in Hilton. So starting on the outside, you'll notice this one's in grey. Most of them come in white. This one's got the grey upgrade on the exterior colour. Also an upgrade, we've got the alloy wheels. With the CV20s, or all the CV range, you have the underslung gas tanks, so it optimises storage inside, doesn't take up any room for gas bottles. So the gas tank underneath, 25 litres, fills up straight into the side there. Toilet cassette just in there, and your water drain off down at the bottom. We've got water fill point and your hookup point, as you can see, we're plugged in just here. TV aerial on the top as well, you can probably just about see it there. Round onto the back, you've got barn doors, rear camera just in there. So in the dash we've got a 7-inch screen with your rear camera. I'll open this up so you get a glimpse of the inside at the minute, but we'll come round to that shortly. Yep. So you've got 2 long benches at the back, as you'll see, 2 travelling seats at the front, but we'll come back to that bit. Round onto the passenger side, another extra, we've got the Dometic full length wind out awning light up there as well. Electrical entrance step, which we've got out already, and your diesel point with AdBlue is just there. Onto the inside, we've got your hab door, we've got a fly screen just here which pulls all the way across. Before we go in, I will point out we've got loads of storage drawers just down here. That's your button for your step, and a power point just there. Into the van, let Wendy follow me in. We'll point to the cab first. As I said, this one's the 9-speed automatic, the new Series 8 cab. There's your 7-inch screen in the centre with your reverse camera just displays on there. You've got cab air conditioning, we've got cab blinds on your windscreen, driver and passenger door. We've got all your usual steering wheel controls, cruise control, all the bits and bobs you'd expect to see. Yep. Both of your chairs in the front are swivel chairs, so they're swiveled round at the moment. We've got storage at the top, and then all your main control panels here. So control panel for the van, your hot water, your heating, and that's just your gas indicator. Behind the driver's seat, you've got your table stowed away neatly there. And then we've got your fridge with freezer compartment, nice and high. Some of the panel vans it's down low, but this is really accessible. Great amount of storage just for 2 people. We've got more storage underneath just there. Yeah, there is a hanging rail in there. And then we'll spin round onto the kitchen. So we've already pointed out your drawers, power points down there. Another extra in this one is your microwave. They don't come as standard. We spec this one with a microwave. Storage in there, generous size sink, we've got a 3-ring gas hob, and your combination oven and grill. More storage underneath there, and even more in there. So although it's a compact 6-metre panel van, there's plenty of storage for the 2 of you. Yep. Moving further down, I'll let Wendy show you into the bathroom. So we've got sink, toilet, shower, all in a wet room in there. Plenty of storage in there as well. Lovely. Down into the rear of the van, no guesses for what these are. Even more storage. I won't open every single one because you'll get bored, but loads of storage. Your TV point is just in there. Yeah. And we already have the TV bracket fitted, so you can add the TV straight to the bracket if you wanted to. This is your lounge area and doubles up to your bed. So the beauty with this layout is you can either have 2 single beds, or you can make it up into a double. If you do make it up into the double, this section doesn't make up. You can just see where it cuts off there, both sides. So if you do make a bed up, there is still 2 seats. If someone gets up in the morning, I know you've got your seats in the front, but you have still got a seating area. We've got kitchen extension just on the side, and then underneath both benches there's loads more storage as well, so plenty of room to get all your bits and bobs and everything that you might need. I think that's about it. It is in stock, it's here, it's available as I speak right now. Vans are selling quite quickly. We do have quite a good selection. If you are interested, give me a call. My name's Adam. I'll answer any questions and help you, make an appointment if you want to come down. Thank you.